How to convert Facebook account to page. So if you want to convert your Facebook account to page, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, make sure that you're on your Facebook account. Make sure that you've logged in. Now go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then tap on your profile. From your profile, you need to go with the right side, which has that 3 dots, and make sure that you've not logged your profile, because if you've logged your profile, you need to go and unlock it at first. So go with unlock, which is on the bottom. Once you unlocked your profile, now again go with the 3 dots, which is on the right side, and you will have turn on professional mode. So tap on turn on professional mode and then tap on turn on again, which is on the bottom. And once you turn on your professional mode on your account, you will convert your Facebook account to your page. So go with next, which is on the bottom. Go with next again next, confirm, go with next, and this is the last step. Go with next again, and that's it. Go with professional dashboard, and you will have your professional dashboard. Now you can go back to your profile, reload your profile, and that's it. That's how you can convert your Facebook account to a page. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.